Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You will begin by preparing the essentials. Install Node. JS LTS so NPM is available because package management and runtime depend on it. Once done, install Visual Studio Code and open your project folder immediately so the editor can index files. Make sure to run npm init to create package. JSON, this makes dependency installs predictable. You want the editor and runtime aligned. Doing these first avoids conflicts later and speeds up extension recommendations and IntelliSense suggestions. Now configure the editor to enforce standards and improve feedback quality. Install ESLint and Prettier extensions because linting plus formatting prevents style drift and runtime mistakes. Then create ESLintRC, JSON, and PrettyRC files so rules are consistent across machines. Tie ESLint to Prettier in settings to avoid rule conflicts. Once those files exist, enable format on save and set JavaScript validation to use the workspace ESLint. Make sure package. JSON type is module. Finish by adding runtime and tooling so your workflow is smooth. Install ESLint, Prettier, Nodeman, and your test runner as dev dependencies so CI matches local behavior. Once installed, configure launch. JSON to attach the VS Code debugger to Node.js and set breakpoints in key files. This speeds troubleshooting. Then run npm test and npm start to verify scripts. If something fails, open the problems panel and run ESLint fix. That single step fixes most style and simple syntax issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.